What's up everybody, hope you guys having a good day. In today's videos we're gonna talk about this brand new Alienware AW2725DF. It's a mouthful. It comes with 360 Hz and 0.03 millisecond response time. On the spec sheets, this thing is phenomenal. This is one of the best OLED monitor out there. It's a quantum OLED displays, so that's a little bit different compared to the regular OLED displays. Now, if you upgrade from a 1080p to this monitor, it's gonna blow your mind. Now, if you already have a 2K monitor like the one I'm using the AW2723DF, which is one of the best IPS monitor displays that I ever used. So I'm gonna have to return this OLED displays. Hear me out, because I did not see any noticeable difference between the one I'm using and the one that I really want to keep, which is the QD-Oled displays. I put them side by side. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about the pictures and everything. I'm not a display expert. I'm a gamer. I want to be able to see things in my game. I do not care about the spec sheets. I want to feel good when I play the game. You can tell if the monitor feel great or not. Doesn't matter if they have like a massive spec sheets. Just like you have all the bell and whistle in that spec sheets. Doesn't mean anything when it doesn't feel right in game. If you're a gamer, you know what I'm talking about. I thought I would be very happy. It would be a lot of improvement over my current monitor, but I am wrong. I actually disappointed. You know how whenever you upgrade to a brand new monitor, you want something that when you go back to your old monitor, you can't stand your old monitor. That's what it means that it's worth upgrading. But in this case, I actually like my old monitor better than this new one. I cannot justify spend $400 more for this monitor over this one, because now if you upgrade, you want the greatest of the latest, this is the one to go. If you want to save money and still get the almost the same experience, get this one. I'm gonna put a link in the description and feel free to check both of them out, but I would suggest get this one, the AW2723DF. You won't be disappointed when I compare side by side for those two monitors. The detail on both monitors are the same. So why do I want to spend $400 extra for this one? Now look, if you look at the monitor, the only thing that you would know the difference is the black. The black on this monitor is black. On my current one, it's kind of grayish. I actually prefer this one better, the grayish one, because when in game, the certain scenario, you don't see the enemy when it's too dark. For gaming, I would definitely say this is the one that you should get. Now, this is just my personal opinions. On the other hand, so you know how when you get something new, something like 2 years later, it's supposed to be better, but look at the bezel. Holy moly. I know I like them thick, but not that thick. The bezel is like 3 times compared with the bezel of the display that I'm using. And the chin, oh my goodness, this monitor have that big thick chin. Yes, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be negative. This is definitely one of the best OLEDs that I tried, better compared to previous one, but it's not better compared to my IPS over here. So if you're on a budget, if you want to save some money, buy this one. If you don't have the money to spend, you can't go wrong with this QD-Oled displays. I hope it's helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.